if you don't know how to delete your videos from playlists, in this video I'm going to show you the 2 simple ways you can delete your videos from playlists, and I'm going to be showing you the practical ways we can do that. So now we're going to open the YouTube page, right? So I'm going to turn on my screen record right now so that I can share it on the video, right? So now I just click on YouTube app, right? So we're going to go straight to our YouTube app, and then we're going to click on the icon below. You can see the arrow is on it on the screen. So we're going to click on that icon. So after clicking on that icon, it's going to take us to our YouTube home page directly, like my own channel page. So as you can see, we have all our videos lined up here. We have the playlist, we have the videos, we have the shorts, and this is our playlist. You click on the playlist. So after clicking on playlist, you can see all our videos there. So I just click on this last video, and you can see 2 options, delete and edit. So I'm going to click on delete, and you can delete your videos like that. So I deleted 1 video already. All right, so now we still have some other videos left. I just click on this other one now, and you can delete, right? I'm also going to show you other ways you can actually, just in case you want to edit, you can as well use that edit button. So when you click on that edit, as you can see, it can help you to edit your videos. Like for instance, you want to change the name of that playlist, right? You can just click on the edit button, and it's going to help you. Like, okay, for instance, this is personal content. I just erased it, and now I want to rename this particular playlist to shorts. As you can see, I just typed it and it is saved already. All right, so this is one way you can actually delete your playlist. Okay, so the number 2 way we can delete our playlist is on the main home page. As you can see, we have history, we have playlists. Okay, so you're just going to click on playlists. So after clicking on the playlist, you can see, you click on that view all. So once you click on view all, it's going to take us to the main page. All right, so you can see where our videos are: shorts, live, playlists, and posts. So just click on playlist, and it's going to bring out all our playlists. Like you knew I deleted some already. We have 3 on this part. Okay, so just 3 playlists left. Now we can click on the shorts to use that as an example. So I'm going to delete these shorts. As you can see, the difference is that this other one has share and play next in queue with the delete and edit button. So we're just going to click on delete. Okay, and that's all for this particular video. If you want to know how to get more views on YouTube using ChatGPT, then this video is for you. Thank you so much for watching this video to this time. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you get to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my very next video. For now, bye.